I'm doing another unboxing video again, and this one is from JM Bullion again, and I think this was about $108 this time. Yeah, about $108, and to be honest with you, I still don't know what I brought. Matter of fact, and the only reason I don't know what I brought is because I did 3 separate orders, one with JM Bullion, one with AppMex, and the one with AppMex, that was a crazy story, the reason that one came about. And I did another one with AppMex, but through e-check, and that was about for $500. So this one, I think this one is about $800. So I'm gonna go open through this, but before I do, welcome to a whole nother video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you create a better lifestyle by creating better health and wealth. And you guys can also help out by leaving subscribe, leaving a like, and also comment down below. Let me know some of you guys' thoughts. All right, well, I guess this is time for the intro, right? Let's get to it.
I'm working for work, and grinding, working for work.
Hopefully you guys don't mind my hand. So I'm doing this a bit different here. As you can see, I'm having all my assay cards here. So this is a bit of my stacking collection. As you can see, I only have one here so far. I have a lot more of them. Most of these, I don't know if you guys can see this, but most of these goals, they came in assay cards, and I cut them, which was another mistake I did. I'll probably make another video to talk about that soon. But yeah, I cut them out, and so I normally would have more, but once I cut them out, I learned that I lose value from it. And no longer am I doing that no more, so I'm gonna keep them in the card, and it's like collecting Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh cards again. Yes, I was a nerd back in high school, but I still got the girl. All right, so let's start unboxing this, and don't worry guys, I'm not going to put my finger close to it this time, you know, just in case I have some butchers out there. Let's start opening it up. What do I have this time? I actually almost cut my hands this time. Alright. Yada yada. Let's see some of the stuff I got. I can't show you guys this. I'm sorry, this was actually $111. Let's see, what did I get? I can see this so far. These are so hard to open sometimes. That's why I have these. Trying to do the easy way by Incredible Hulking my way through these papers, but I can't. It's open. So I got 2 of these. And I love this little wrapping they put them in. It's awesome. So I got 2 of these, and I think, let me see, did I get anything else? No, that sucks. I don't remember placing, well, I do remember placing these, but I thought I got something else. What do I expect? Let me show it to you guys here so you guys get a better view. And I'm mad about this because I don't even think this is gonna fit in here. And nope, it does not fully fit, if you guys can actually see. I have to get another storage for these, but it does not fully fit. But this one does. Does it? Hard to get in. Am I doing this right? Yeah, now I can't even take it out. There you go. Okay. These things should come with dimensions. Would I be able to close it? Because as you can see, it still has that top on it. Yeah, I'm still able to close it. But I don't like it. I like uniformity. You know, that bothers me. I have OCD sometimes. And it bothers me the fact that this is taller than that one. And I'm messing up the casing. And it's hard to take out. There you go. Am I messing up the casing? Oh no, I'm not messing up the casing. It's just laminated for me. Awesome, I was wondering. So I have a Pert Mint Australia. I like this one. Let me see if I can get a closer view for you guys. Hey, you can see me on the camera. Hey guys, how you guys doing? See if I can focus it in on that. There we go. Here's the back. I don't know if these numbers are important, but I don't want to show them. Okay, and this one, that's pretty much a Sunshine gram gold bar, 1 gram gold bar. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and have a good one, guys.
That's why I work and grind.